Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Have you ever been on a blind date?
No.
Which is your favorite radio station?
Oh, actually, I like 94.3 because they started playing English music. So I love that.
If you were to write a column in a magazine, what would it be about?
What would it be about? I could give good fitness tips here. I like to read a lot. I might not be the most fit guy, but I knowledgeably know a lot.
How many drinks does it take before you get drunk?
At times I don't even need a drink to get drunk.
When you were a kid, where did you want to live when you grew up?
Where did I always wanted to live in Delhi. I am from Delhi, and more than Bombay, I love the whole. I love the space in Delhi. The big houses. They've got nice streets. There's parks everywhere. So Delhi.
Are you passive or aggressive?
Depends. Both. Depends on the mood.
Are you holding on to something you need to let go of?
Yeah, I think all of us are.
How do you react to people when you enter a party?
How do I react to people when I enter a party? Depends on how they react to me.
Right. And how do people react to you when you enter a party?
They're usually very happy to see me.
What kind of conversations usually happen in a cocktail party?
I think there's less of conversation and more of cocktails in a cocktail party.
If you had to add an option to your car, what would it be?
If I had to add an option to my car, I always say this: the flying gear.
Do you believe in aliens?
I don't know if I believe in the weird-looking aliens, like the ones in Steven Spielberg films, but I definitely feel like, considering there are so many planets, I'm sure there's life somewhere else as well.
What is the stupidest thing you've done at a bar?
What's the stupidest thing that I've done at a bar? No, I've actually once had a couple of drinks and forgotten my wallet and had somebody else pay for it.
Do you like going window shopping?
I love going window shopping. I love it. Like, that's one of my favorite ways to kill time.
If you could change one event in history, what would it be?
Nothing. I actually am the man that I am because of all the mistakes that I've made.
Do fish get thirsty?
I'm pretty sure they do. Yeah, they keep opening their mouths for some reason.
What are those three things which is always there in your pocket?
What are the three things that are always there in my pockets? Actually, it's usually just one. It's my cell phone because everything else, my man Friday Ravi carries for me.
Which is that one song you love listening to?
By Pink Floyd, Wish You Were Here.
Okay. And which is your favorite band?
Favorite band?
Band.
Favorite band? Actually, I don't have just one favorite band. But I like a lot of music, a lot of kind of music. I love alternative rock, so I love Guns N' Roses, I love Pink Floyd, Nirvana. I like single artists as well. Indian, Atif, Mohit Chauhan.
If an autobiography has to be written on you, what do you think should be the title of that autobiography?
It's too soon in my life to write an autobiography of me. I'm not even started. So too soon to even think about it.
Okay.
Are you afraid of ghosts?
Definitely. I'm shit scared of ghosts. I watch one scary movie and I'm literally clinging onto my sister in the bed to sleep.
Whose wardrobe would you like to possess the most and why?
Amongst men?
Like actors?
No, anybody. Could be anybody.
I'm actually a very simple dresser myself. I've never been really thingy about clothes, so I don't know, never thought about it.
Would you consider yourself lazy?
Extremely. I can be horribly lazy. I'm actually like my sun sign, the Taurus, that when I'm laying, I'm actually just laying. I don't want to get up. If somebody picks me up, I'm like super pissed off. But when I'm up, I'm super active. Like I'm annoyingly active for people, because I'm a planner. So if I'm on a holiday, I like to plan. I like to get up early in the morning. I like my runs on the beach. I like to always be active.
Okay.
What was the other question? What is that one thing that's available in your refrigerator at all times?
Nuts. I always have, my mother actually stacks up almonds and walnuts always in my fridge.
If you could choose to stay a certain age forever, what age would that be?
It would definitely be the age that I'm making the most money, I think, right now.
It's there.
Okay. If you knew the world was ending in 2012, what would you do differently?
What would I do differently? Actually, I would not do things differently. I would do things that I really love doing.
Where were you born?
Delhi.
Do you like answering random questions?
I love it, man. This has actually been one of my most fun interviews till now.
Oh, thank you. Do you analyze your past actions?
Definitely, I think that's what makes a man of me. Like my past. Yeah, definitely. I do analyze my past because I think that's where you learn from. That's the reason why we had history also as one of our lectures.
When was the last time you were nervous?
Oh, I'm nervous every day, man. When I walk into work, A, because I'm late, so I'm nervous, and B, before giving my first shot of the day, every day, I have that sort of anxiety which I like.
Who's that one actor from the industry you admire the most?
I actually admire both Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan the most. I think they're superb, and definitely from the one of the newer lots, Ranbir, I think super talented.
What was your pet name when you were a kid?
I'm too embarrassed to even say.
But you did have one.
Yeah, actually one of the pet names that I really liked having was one of my neighbors, one of my first few neighbors. She used to call me Kana. So I thought that was really sweet.
Which is your favorite magazine?
My favorite magazine would be any fitness magazine, and I love even like browsing the GQs all the time.
Has your greatest fear ever come true?
That's my greatest fear come true. Yeah, in a way, you could say.
Which is that one song you hum when you're in the bathroom?
Wish you were here.
Okay. Name one thing you love about being an adult.
Name the one thing that I love about being an adult. What's that one thing that I love about being an adult? I don't know, just the whole idea of having all your independence.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I do, man, and I think there's a reason why they hid it.
What drives you crazy?
Life. Yeah, everything about life drives me crazy.
Have you ever stolen anything?
Oh yeah, I've stolen a lot of money from my parents. Yeah. When I was a kid, I used to totally like flick money from my mom's wallet.
Okay. Do you like your handwriting?
I hate my handwriting because even I can't read it.
If you had to start your own business, what would it be?
If I had to start my own business now again, I had my own business of garments earlier, but if I had to do it all over again, I think it would definitely be film production.
Thank you, Karan.
Thank you so much. Hey guys, my name is Karan Thacker, and I would log on to Rangmanch only for one reason, to see Karan embarrass himself in front of his co-stars. So log on, watch it, enjoy it, and please don't send me feedback. Honestly, I think this is my first video that I'm doing with you guys, but by far it's genuinely been it's been the most how do I say it? I can't say interactive, but it's genuinely been fun. To put it simpler. It's been a lot of fun doing this. I've never answered any of these questions before, and they've been really real, friendly sort of fun questions. So it's a few questions that I would probably answer after a couple of drinks. So I actually enjoyed it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Karan. Thank you.